Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Girl Guitar. We have a very nice collab here with Ollie and Witt Lowry. So both of these gentlemen we had on Girl Guitar. Ollie has a full playlist here, so you can watch his tutorials or tutorials of mine on his songs. And with Larry, he has like 6, 8, 7 songs here covered on Girl Guitar. So if you like one of these gentlemen, then this is a gold digging song here. This collab, it's called Thankful, and they actually did a song together before that I covered here on Girl Guitar. It's called Happer. So if you like these two men here, then yeah, look up Gordon Guitar. We have a lot of goodies in this channel here. So anyway, let's take a look at Thankful. And we have a picking pattern that goes in the same way through the entire song. It's kind of two alternating rows, so to speak, and then we can combine that with some strumming. So let's go into the chords. And I can just mention the chords we use for strumming will differ from the grips that are based upon the same chord, so to speak, because the grips we need to chase higher notes and like that, and we don't do that with the strumming later. So I'm gonna go over first the chords needed for the strumming, and then we're gonna go into the picking pattern, which is the main part of the song, and you will notice that we use different grips for the same actual chords. All right, so for the strumming, we're gonna use the A sharp, and that's the sus version. So you play a bar on the 1st fret, and I forgot maybe to mention we have a capo set on the 5th fret. That's important. So capo on 5th, then starting with the A sharp chord, bar on the 1st fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. There you have the A sharp chord. Next chord is the F sus, but with a C in the bass. So that is 3rd on A, 3rd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D minor next. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then we have the F. And that's a bar chord on the 1st fret again. This time you bar all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. There's the chords for the first row, so to speak, and then we have another chord. Remember, we had the F sus with C in the bass. Now we're gonna use the F sus with A in the bass. So it goes like this. The A comes here on the open A string, and then you have the 3rd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And with that, we have all chords covered for the strumming. Now, let's go into the picking patterns. And yeah, I can just mention chord progression here. The first half of it will be A sharp, the C, F sus, the D minor, and F. And then the second half will be the A sharp, the C, F sus. It starts in the same way, but then it goes the A, F sus, D minor, and C, F sus. All right? So that's how it goes. We're gonna start with the first half, the A sharp part. And yeah, I suggest you hold like this. You could hold a full chord, no, actually not. So hold 1st fret on A, then 3rd on D, and 3rd on B. This is the grip. So you're gonna play 1st on A, 3rd on D, 3rd on B. You repeat that, 1st A, 3rd D, and 3rd B. And then you go 1st A and 3rd D. So, and you will notice we have the same kind of patterns here, just different grips and notes depending on what string you're playing, but the pattern will be pretty much the same. That is the A sharp part. The next part will be the C, F sus, and the grip is like this, okay? So you see, it's not like this we learned for the strumming. It goes over to this grip, okay? So there's reasons for that. We want higher notes and want the easiest chord progression as well, so you don't play here and then suddenly land up here. So yeah, this is the grip. And what I do here, I play a little bar on the A and D string on the 3rd fret. So I cover these 2 strings. This is what we actually need, but I don't like to have the fingers like this. So I just play a little bar on the 3rd fret, A and D. And then I also add the 5th fret on the B string. So we're gonna work with 3rd A, 3rd D, 5th B. Repeat that. 3rd A, 3rd D, and 5th B. And then you play 3rd A and 3rd D. So same pattern, you see that, and it sounds like this. And then we have the D minor grip. It was like this for the strumming. Now it looks like this, and this is perhaps the hardest grip here to take, but you need to learn it and then you just have it. So it goes 5th on A, 3rd on D, and 6th on B. Okay, so this is the grip you need. So I play 5th A, 3rd D, 6th B. Repeat that, 5th A, 3rd D, 6th B, and then 5th A and 3rd D. Sounds like this. Then you have the F part. It's not a bar chord, but it looks like this. So from this D minor, I suggest you hold that 3rd fret D string there, because you're gonna use it for the F. So it gets smoothly over to this grip. So 3rd D, 5th G, and 5th high E. So you're gonna play this part. It goes 3rd D, 5th G, 5th E. Repeat that, 3rd D, 5th G, 5th E, and then 3rd D and 5th G. And that is the end of the first half. So slowly it goes like this. Okay, then the second half starts in the same way with both these 2 chords, the A sharp and the C sus, C F sus. It goes like this. Okay, so it starts in the same way. Then we have the A F sus chord, so you hold like this, open A, 3rd D, and 1st B, in the same way as you play the strumming, okay? So that's exactly the same grip. You're gonna play open A, 3rd D, 1st B. Again, repeat that, open A, 3rd D, 1st B, and open A, and 3rd D. And then you're gonna play the D minor in the same way you played it in the first half, but you're gonna chop it at this part, okay? So that is 5th on A, 3rd on D, and 6th B, and then back to 3rd D, okay? So that's a little bit different here. So 5th A, 3rd D, 6th B, and 3rd D, and then you go to play the C F sus here, and you play 3rd A, 3rd D, 5th B, and 3rd D. So that is the ending here. They split on 1 bar, so to speak, so D minor. Like this. And that's the end of the second half and the end of the full melody, actually. So I'm gonna take you through 1 round fully here. I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit to understand what's going on. Let's do it. Tempo. Alright, so there you have the melody. You can play like that from the beginning till the very end. that is a good idea, but you can also switch it up with some chords. So now we need to look at the strumming pattern here. So you know now the chord progression. We're gonna start with the A sharp to illustrate the strumming, and it has two halves because of the ending in the second half, the D minor and C sus. There we need to split it, okay? So mostly we're gonna play one full round, and one full round goes like this. So the first part where the split goes is after down, up, down, up. So you can play down, up, down, up. That's the first part. And then comes clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. If you connect these two parts, it will be. Okay? So a couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. Goes. Right, so you're gonna play one strumming round per chord: A sharp, C F sus, D minor, F. Then the second half, again, A sharp, C F sus, A F sus. And then on the D minor and C F sus in the end, you're gonna play the first part for both of these chords. So down, up, then down, up. And that ends the round. So slowly, one string around goes like this. And that was actually pretty much the standard tempo as well, so we don't have to go through that. Again, this is Ollie's and Witt Lowry's Thankful. And yeah, if you like these gentlemen and their music, you can dig for gold here on Gorgon Guitar. We have many tutorials on both of these guys, so I'm happy to help you guys. And if you can help me back, give me some love, subscribe to this channel would be perfect. Then I'm glad. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.